Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to add a Contact Us page to your website. This is my website named Ash Web Demo. As you can see, currently it only has a home and blog page. There's no Contact Us page yet, so let's go ahead and add one now. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then, click on the Plugins option in the left-hand menu. At the top, you'll see the Add New button. Click on that. Once the new page loads, go to the search bar and type in Contact Form 7. After searching, you'll see the Contact Form 7 plugin appear. Click the Install button on the right side, and once it's installed, click Activate. Now you'll notice a new option labeled Contact in the side menu. Next, click on the Pages option and then select Add New. In the title field, type Contact Us. After that, click Publish, and then click Publish again to confirm. Go back to your website and refresh the page. You'll now see the Contact Us page has appeared. Click on it, and as you can see, it's currently empty. Let's add the contact form to this page. Head back to your dashboard and click on the Contact menu. Here, you'll find a demo contact form already created, but we'll create a new one ourselves. Click on Add New. You'll now see a form editor with some default code. These codes generate the contact form fields. First, in the title field at the top, type Contact. Below that, copy the default code and paste it in the designated area. Now, click behind the text field and select the telephone option from the toolbar. In the name field, replace the text with phone number. Scroll down and enable the option Use this text as the placeholder, and type a sample number here. I'm using a random number for demonstration. Then, click Insert Tag. Now, delete the text that appears after the inserted tag. Also, delete the label text before each code block. After cleaning it up, copy this updated code and paste it below as needed. Next, replace the number with a sample name like John Smith. Copy it and paste it in the email field as well. Delete the extra placeholder text and instead, in the email field, write something like example.com. Similarly, change the subject line to something like your subject and remove any extra square brackets if present. Once done, click Save. Now, go to the Mail tab. This is where you define which email the submitted form should be sent to. To check your site's email, go to Settings General. Then scroll down to see the email address being used. Back in the contact form settings, go to the Message Body section. Create some space for the text content. Then copy and paste the relevant field codes here, phone number, and click Save again. You'll now see a shortcode appear. Click to copy it. Go back to your website and click on Edit for the Contact Us page. On the editing screen, click the plus icon and search for shortcode. Select the shortcode block, then paste the code you just copied. Click Save. Then click on View Page. You'll now see the contact form fields appear. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.